The next thing that... Hey everyone, it's Zia. Welcome back to my channel. I am still... Oh god, I shouldn't have let myself cough. You know, like once you start coughing, you can't stop. Oh god, this sucks. I'm gonna have to take a lot of breaks when I have to film this video because talking is hard. Whew, okay, starting over. Hey everyone, it's Zia. Welcome back to my channel. Christmas passed like 2 weeks ago by now, but I decided to do the what I got for Christmas video. There's not a whole lot. Like I said, we did really cut back this year, so I'm really happy about that. I buy things all year round, as you guys know anyway, so I really don't need a lot for Christmas. My family got me a few things that I really love, so I'm going to share those with you now. So the first thing that I have here is this super cute candle. This is from a company called Under the Stars, and they make handmade candles. It's a banana split, right? Or sundae? Banana sundae. Not banana split, because that's a split banana with ice cream. It's a banana sundae. I honestly can't smell it that much right now. My nose was working so much better on Christmas, and like the smell hit me in the face. But when I get really close and I inhale as deeply as I possibly can, it smells so nice. I honestly don't know if I'm even going to burn this. It's so cute. It looks so freaking realistic. I mean, look at the ridges on the freaking banana. You see that? The next thing that I got for Christmas are these little nail files. They're glass nail files, and they're supposed to like last forever. It's from Macoon's Creative Side. That's what they're called. Okay, and they have little owls on them. How cute! I think that's adorable. So you have one gigantic one here. I assume it's 4 feet. Here is the medium-sized one and the tiny one for you to throw in your purse. I have mostly used this one so far. I used it on my nails to shape them, and I really hate filing my nails. Like I don't know, whenever my nails scratch something or anything, it irritates me so much, and like to a point where when I talk about it, my fingers start to like tingle in the most uncomfortable of ways. But when I was using these, it didn't bother me so much, so I am a big fan of these. I really like them. The next thing that... dropping a bunch of things today. Okay, like I was saying, the next thing that I have here is this little keychain. It's the sorting hat from Harry Potter. I love it, and I have my house keys on it, and it's so cute. I love it. I love it. It's adorable. The next thing that I have here, something that I already showed you guys during Vlogmas. It's this cardigan. I absolutely love it. Where's the top? Here it is. I tried it on in my Target try-on, and I love the color so much. This is the color I wanted my hair to be honest. It did not come out that way. But this is gonna be changing real soon. So yeah, say goodbye to the green hair soon enough. When I tried this on, I told Ernie I'm not gonna get it because it was like $30 and I was not ready to pay that. My mother-in-law was looking for something to get me anyway, so Ernie showed her this and she was like, okay, this is her Christmas present then. So yay! I'm gonna keep wearing it because it's cold in here. So the next thing I have here is something that I'm super excited for, and it's this Harley Quinn necklace set. It has 3 necklaces. One says Harley, the other one says Loves, and the last one says Joker. I think they're super cute. I can't wait to wear these, and I guess you're supposed to wear it layered. Honestly, I don't think that she ever wore these in Suicide Squad. I think she only had the choker that said put in, which I also have over there. You can't see it. It's somewhere over there. I was so excited when I unwrapped these, and I was waiting to do this video before I actually started wearing these. I'm really excited to wear the Joker one though. Like, this looks so cool. I love it. I love all of these. And it says that it's an authentic prop replica. Next, I have a couple of Funko Pop. Why? Because Ernie and I always get each other Funko Pops for every single occasion. So this year, he got me the Grinch. He's super cute. One of them is holding the roast beast, and the other one is not. And Ernie got me the one that isn't holding anything. And I think he's so cute. I guess the Pop Books version of of the Funko Pop figurines. I always call them Funko Pop figurines, but I don't even think you need to say figurines. I think you just say Funko Pops. I don't know. Whatever. But the Pop Books versions, I think they follow the illustrations. So that's why the Grinch has his face like normal, you know, instead of the usual Funko Pop look. And Ernie also got me Max because you cannot have the Grinch without Max, okay? He might have been really mean, but at least he was a dog person. So there's Max. He's wearing the... There you go. He's wearing the little horn on a... Horn? Antler? Whatever. He has it on his head. I think that's super cute. Of course, these are never coming out of their boxes. I never take any of them out of their box. So, in the box, it shall stay forever. Ernie also got me the DVD for Archer Season 7, and it's in the other room. I don't feel like going and getting it, but that is something that I have. We started watching it last night. We only saw the first 2 episodes, but the biggest agency, not something I saw coming. And the next thing I have here is not the right house, unfortunately, but it's absolutely beautiful, and it's this Gryffindor journal. It's so pretty. Look at the pages. They're the gold lined ones. Isn't that just incredible? I love how that looks. It's so freaking pretty, and it has the little what you call it, the crest right here. It looks incredible. I love it so much. So here that is. It's so nice, and it has such pretty pages. There's a picture of it in the back, which is how I knew what it looked like, but this is so much better when you actually see it in the book. It has the ribbon bookmark thingies, and there's actually 2. Oh gosh, that's different. I never see that. So there's 2 ribbon bookmarks. I think that is really neat. I have so many journals that I've never actually written anything in, because like once it's done, it's done. Like what am I gonna do with it, you know? So I think maybe I'll use these as cookbooks, maybe writing down my recipes and stuff. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I feel like with my cookbooks I'm never gonna get rid of them. And here is the last thing that I got. This is actually something that I bought for Ernie, but I figured I'd share it with you guys because it's so cute. There's like all these little pens and stickers and stuff in here that aren't, you know, the most interesting, but the interesting and like cutest part of this is the book. And so Ernie and I don't have like photo albums or anything. I don't think a lot of people really do those very much anymore, but I kind of wanted to like get a scrapbook kind of thing to like put copies of our wedding pictures in, and like little memories, pressed flowers, stuff like that. And so I got this. It's our adventure book, like from Up, but hopefully we don't have the same type of story. It's so cute. I absolutely love it, and I'm not gonna open it up and everything because I'm not ready to do anything with it yet, and I don't want to struggle to get it back into the plastic, and plus it's Ernie's present, so I want him to be the one to like take it out of the plastic and everything. But it's so cute. And on the back it has the house on the top of, what was this, Paradise Falls? I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure it's Paradise Falls. And I love it. Up is definitely one of my favorite Disney movies. Just the first few minutes of it just have my heart. It's, oh. I got this on Amazon for like, I think $22. Pricey for like a scrapbook thing, I think. But I think it's super cute. And I really can't wait to start putting things in it. I really love it. And like I figured, kind of like as a gift to Ernie, like every anniversary I'll make a new page for it and stuff. I just think it's gonna be really cute. He likes those kinds of things. So yeah, that is everything. There was a giant Sephora box that showed up, and Ernie told me it was a stocking stuffer, liar. Like it was a big box, but I got no makeup. Nothing from Sephora was part of Christmas. Like where's the thing that was in the Sephora box? Where did it go? I guess he's saving it for Valentine's Day or maybe for my birthday. Those are 2 fairly close together. Actually extremely close together. It's February 11th and then February 14th. So either he's gonna save it for my birthday or he's gonna give it to me on Valentine's Day. I don't know, but he's hiding it somewhere in this house, and if I was more nosy than I am, I would go looking for it. But I'm not going to because I also like surprises. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week. I think I'm doing 3 videos a week at this point right now. I was doing 5, but we slowed down. I think I'm gonna stay at this point at least until I start feeling better. Cold is still here and it really sucks. Oh god. Okay, 3 videos per week. I hope you guys stick around for those because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.